Hey y'all, here are a few tips for getting started in Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and save yourself an index.html file, and then we will type in HTML:5, hit tab, and it will automatically create a boilerplate for you. Go ahead and give your document a title. I'm going to call mine Bugs Bunny, and then head down to the body of your document. Inside the body, let's suppose I want to create a div tag. I can just type div and hit tab, and it will automatically create it for me. Suppose I want an article tag, same thing, article tab, and it creates it for me. Let's suppose I want to add a class to a tag though. I can go h1 for a heading, h1 dot title, and I want it to have a class of title. So h1 dot title, hit tab, and there's an h1 with a class of title. Let's suppose I want that same thing but with an ID, this time with an ID, so I can go h1 pound or hashtag and then do title, h1 pound title, hit tab, and it will come up with an h1 ID of title. Now let's suppose I want multiple tags. I'm going to go inside the div and p for paragraph times, and I want 5 paragraph tags, so I can do p asterisk 5, hit tab, and it will create all 5 for me, and I can go ahead and type right into these 1 tab, 2 tab, 3, and just keep hitting tab, and you can add the content you want inside. Inside the article, let's also do paragraphs, but this time p dot, because we want to add a class, p dot para, class of para for paragraph, and we want 3 of those. So p dot para times 3 will give me 3 paragraphs with a class of para. Be sure to follow, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video for more content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.